Oh, what do we have here? Extreme Karen goes crazy on fast food employees by Midwest Safety. Take a look at it.
This woman created mayhem at a restaurant and tries hiding in a bathroom to avoid being charged with 5 separate crimes.
Damn, okay. You just a natural thug. Thug nasty, nasty thug.
She go inside?
That's her car. It's been sitting there for about 15 minutes. Last time I saw her, she was in that parking lot over there.
Okay.
She was homeless or something?
If it's a blonde, that's who we're looking for.
A blonde?
Yeah, she said a blonde.
She was blonde. She's white, blonde, all black.
So that's probably her.
I hit my siren and she just picked up the pace and came inside.
Troy, police, open the door.
Lynn.
Open the door or we will open the door. You have 5 seconds and then we're
Open the door.
using the key and coming in.
Lynn, open the door.
She's flushing something.
All right, we're coming in.
Got it, right?
I'm going to the bathroom. Is that okay with you?
No, it's not okay. Get up. Come on out. Okay. Let's go outside now.
Pull your pants up, Lynn. Let's go.
Why?
We will come in and get you.
Diarrhea? Would you like to watch or
Bitch, come on now. You ain't got no damn diarrhea.
what's wrong?
No, Lynn, we'd like you to finish up and come outside, please.
Would you like to come in and watch?
Nope.
No, ma'am.
Finish up. Come on.
If you would have answered us the first 5 or 6 times we called for you, we wouldn't have this issue.
We're getting calls about you over at Steak and Shake. What's going on?
There's nothing
Steak and Shake. I've never had that a day in my life. Is Steak and Shake good?
on there. I know nothing about that. I'm going home.
Well, what are you doing walking around the Walmart parking lot?
I went to Walmart. Why?
Did you go inside?
I walked around. Why?
Lynn, we're getting...
I miss when Walmart used to be open 24 hours at night when I couldn't sleep. I used to just walk around looking at shit that I wanted but I couldn't buy. The best times ever.
calls that you're intoxicated, you're walking around, you possibly have a gun on you. Well, Lynn, we need you to wrap it up, please, so we can go outside and figure this out.
I'm still pooping. Do you have IBS? Do you have IBS? I do. Do you have that, sir?
All we know right now is what somebody called in and said. That's why we want to talk to you.
I want to talk
This
to
lady is taking the longest shit I've ever seen at a gas station.
you too. I have to go to the bathroom.
Well, we're sitting here waiting on you, so
IBS.
finish what you're doing.
IBS. And it comes in waves. Now there's
Why is she playing with these people, man?
into blood in my
That's real good.
my stool.
Why don't you talk to RP so we get some more,
These are employees.
Yeah, they're standing outside a Steak and Shake now by the tree. They flagged me down when I pulled up.
They lied about me. I just have to poop.
Lynn, you sound like you've been drinking a lot today. Your speech is slurred. So you were at the drive-thru getting food. You were denied food. You're claiming someone whipped some cameras out. How did you end up from Steak and Shake over here?
She ate the shit out that food. Now it went right through her.
I drove through to get a sandwich. That's it. No big deal.
Okay. Well, how did you end up over here?
Advertising.
Did you drive over here after Steak and Shake?
No. I have to go to the bathroom.
How'd your car get from Steak and Shake to Shell?
I have to get gas.
So you drove from Steak and Shake to Shell,
I
correct?
need to get gas, baby. Don't. I had an IBS attack. That's what intermittent between damn Steak and Shake and the goddamn gas station.
So you drove over here to use the restroom?
Yes, that's it.
So did you walk? You said you walked to Walmart first, right?
I have to go to the bathroom.
Hello?
You can come to the back.
To the back?
Yeah.
That's what she said.
At the back door, it's open.
Okay. All right, thanks.
Thank you.
Yep. Hello? You guys the ones that called?
I can go get my manager. Here, you can come.
Okay. I just need to talk to whoever saw her. Are you the one?
I did not know Steak and Shake was this good, y'all. Is Steak and Shake really this good to get arrested and get felony charges for?
Talk to her? Yeah. Okay. Can you tell me, well, first off, what's she look like?
Down here, she had wrinkles on her deficit. She had a gap filled black hair. And she was, once it was my height, she was,
I like his shirt.
I want to say she was fat, but she was chubby.
Okay. What about like age-wise?
I would say That was her car sitting there.
Which
That was her car, but like how that guy over on the side of the building, that was her car. That's
what kind of car?
it's a gray SUV.
Yeah, we have it blocked in. It's still there. It's in front of the police car.
That's just fine. Oh,
Directly behind the tree, that car.
Yeah.
There's a Honda CRV in front
yeah,
of it.
that's what it was. Okay. I don't know if it was just alcohol, but I could definitely smell the alcohol on her breath.
She wasn't.
I also have a video of the first time she came in her car, and then the second time.
Sure, yeah. If you got that video, I'll take a look at it.
Somebody really wanted their Culvers. She don't know gang signs?
This is going on the Troy website. After this, she left. Well, she sat out there in the parking lot and kept honking and wouldn't leave. And then she drove off, and I guess that's when she parked her car over there. And then she walked back over here. It was like 5 minutes in between. And then she walked back over here and she opened our windows, and then she wouldn't let us close them, and she kept trying to grab us and swing at us and telling us that she had a gun, she was going to try to use it.
Oh, no, baby. Yeah, take her ass to jail.
And that she was going to take my phone and throw it and stuff.
You guys heard her say something about a gun?
She said, I'm not scared, I have a gun, I have a long blah, 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 blah.
You know, I was more worried she's going to pull out a gun and try taking it to court and all that. But
Yeah. Yeah. Well, you never know.
That's the second reason.
And then did she actually grab you?
Right on my hand, I was not really a mark, but what happened was, you know, I was just talking. That's when I got, you know, she yanked me, not grabbed me. She basically just yanked me. So because of that, I mean, my hand started hurting, and I, you know, yanked back and all that, and then she ended up leaving.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm gonna go make sure that they're all good with her, and if we need anything else, I'll give you a call. Destiny, the same with you. If we need anything, I might just give you a call. Okay.
All right.
Well, I appreciate it, you guys.
I didn't cuss at them.
Okay, Lynn, listen.
I'm telling you
Okay.
the truth.
Lynn,
You can document this.
it is being documented. Everything's being documented currently.
Stick and shit people. I didn't cuss at them. I said, hey, why is the sign still lit up?
Are they talking to her while she got her Oh, my God. And I know you lying.
I'm 1950s. I'm old.
Where you at?
I wanted to go get us a sandwich.
I understand that you were upset about that. Did you try to open the window and talk to him?
1950. Oh.
Why would they say something about a firearm or a gun? Were you just really mad about it?
I never did. I don't believe in guns.
Okay, why would they say that then?
They're alive.
So, Lynn, you have not drank at all today?
No.
Cap.
Nothing, no alcohol?
No.
Okay.
Why?
That's gotta be a shitty thing if you get arrested with your pants down.
Have you ever had a problem with IBS? Hello? Excuse me, sir.
Videos of her.
Back there somewhere?
They have
Yes,
videos. That's her.
Oh, good.
That's her car. Okay. They took a picture of the tag. One of them was sending me the video. I got all her info. Got their. She actually grabbed one of the employees through the window, yanked him, and then said that she had a gun. Didn't threaten to use it. Just said she had a gun and a lawyer. And she came back twice. They told her that
All that for some Culvers?
they were closed, and she drove off, and then came back on foot. So trespass probably too.
Trespass.
Assault for pulling him, menacing for the complaint, trespass, and then probably OBI. Okay, Lynn, it sounds like you did a little bit more at Steak and Shake than you told us. You need to wrap this up. It's time to go. Let me go run an ID.
Oh, he has to run the garden.
This lady is the ultimate Karen. I wonder how they gonna get her off the toilet though. I'm really intrigued to know how that's gonna happen.
Are you able to get camera footage at all?
He's in there.
He's in there? Sweet. Alright, so if this is Lynn, she is DUS, and she caught 2 OVIs last year.
What is OVI? She got something going on with her womanhood?
Yep. Yep, that's why she's probably sitting there, because she knows what's happening. Real quick, Lynn.
They let her wash her hands. Boy, they wouldn't have let me do nothing like that, boy. That would have been me, boy, booty cheeks and a-hole all in the air. She looks like a dude. I know her son looks just like her. If she has one.
You okay?
Yes.
Okay, I am. Okay. All right, Lynn, come over here real quick for me. Turn around. I'm gonna detain you for a minute and put handcuffs on your wrist.
Yo, to get arrested in a public stall and get put on the ground where people probably dropped a little piss off or something, or little shit, that's gotta be so bad.
No.
Yes.
I've done nothing.
Hands on your wrist. Stop.
Make her go to the ground right by the toilet.
You're detained on the suspicion of trespass, assault, possible OVI.
DUI.
Do you have anything on you?
To make sure no gun or anything.
All right, Lynn, let's walk on out here.
Fine with it.
That way.
We're not going to do that.
That way.
That is an ugly lady.
For you. All right, we're gonna hook a left. Lynn, what are you doing? Walk, please. I'm not trying to drag you.
We're going to walk over here, okay?
Oh, she's about to have a moment.
Okay. Let's sit back here to the side of the car so we can talk. Keep walking, man. Yes. If you spit in my face, it will be an assault charge.
We're going to step right over here, okay?
Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
Okay. Do you have anything else on you that we need to know about?
Nothing.
That's fine.
Nothing.
Do not pull away from us, Lynn, okay?
You are possibly under the influence of alcohol.
Under the influence of something. Shit. Possibly a little ugly mixed with that too.
I'm going to offer you a chance to take field sobriety testing. Would you do it?
Hell no.
Thank you.
You're refusing? Okay. You are now under arrest for suspicion of operating a vehicle while under the influence of alcohol. Step face this 911 for me real quick. I'm going to make sure you don't have anything on your person.
Come on, Lynn. Let's go, Lynn.
I'll take it. Give me your test.
Hop on in.
Get away from me.
Hop in.
Hey, Lynn, go ahead and have a seat
Hop
for me,
in.
okay?
No. Don't be an ass white.
Now put your legs in the car. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
What's up, man? How are you?
Is she finna act the fool while she's getting arrested at the police station? Well, she's not already arrested, but at the police station?
Lynn, before we start this process, they're going to get you out in a second. I'm going to read something to you. I'm going to show you. This is a citation I'm citing you with. You're going to be cited for the OVI. You have a refusal on your, or you have a suspension on your license for a previous OVI refusal, and then you're getting charged with OVI refusal with prior conviction because you refused to take the testing. Any questions, concerns you have? All right.
She was charged with operating a vehicle while impaired, assault, trespassing, and driving with a suspended license. She is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
What is OVI? Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. As always, it's been a pleasure, but we out.